Pick you up in one hand. It's an all-out brawl. Let's give you a flavor of what's going on at the goat farm these days. Got some hungry babies here. Say how it is, guys. Are you hungry? They're hungry. Let's see if we can get Judy Hops to come over. Judy! Judy Hops! Hey, Judy Hops, how are you? Huh? Oh, really? You ready to feed some babies? Yeah, let's do it. All right, you gotta stay out, bud. Rainbow Dash, you can come in. Let's get the rest of those mamas in here. Oh, they're moving. Come on in, ladies. Rihanna, you ready? No, you gotta stay out, Swiss Miss. Come on, Rihanna. S'more? No, you gotta stay out. You gotta stay out. You gotta stay out. Yeah, you gotta stay. No? You're a mom though. You're okay. Lorelai, you gotta stay. You're not a mama. How's that tasting, guys? S'more? How's that tasting, huh? Pretty tasty. Oink, oink. You hungry, bud? Trying to get some milk off of Josie? We'll get you mama. Getting some much needed tasty nutrients, eh, bud? What can I do for you? You want some of that food, don't you? Don't ya? I know you do. What can I do for you, Batilda, huh? What can I do for you? Oh, you're hungry? You're hungry? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you're falling. There you go. I think that side's empty. Yeah. We'll have to get another mom up. I don't think she had that much. How about that, huh? Does she have a little? She's got some. You are a cute goat. A cute goat. Yes, can I help you? Oh, you're hungry? Oh, you're hungry. Oh my goodness. Let's get you up there and get some food. Oh my. So hungry. She's having issues latching. There she goes. Had a gal, Hannah. Had a gal. Where's your brother at? Oh, there he is. You pretty much emptied her out, though. We'll get another mom up there. Oh, that's it for you. Thanks for playing. You're done. I know there's tasty food in there, but... All right. Heart, let's give you a go. Oh, yeah. You want some food? Okay. You got it. She says there's not enough food in there. We'll get you some. Oh, you got to get your face out of the way. That enough? You goof? All right. Hannah's brother. Oh, you got to get out of the way, Blossom. Oh, there we go. Oh, so hungry. Clover, are you hungry? Huh? Let's get you up there. Oh, let's get you up there. Oh my goodness, she's hungry. Are you ready for some food, bud? You ready to get up and feed some babies? Huh? I like to give her a little something on the side. She deserves it. She's my best buddy. Judy Hops. Looks like you guys have her drained. There's not much more in there. Yeah, she's done. And that means so are you. You're done, Heart. Thank you. Have a good day. Ooh, Buttercup. You want some? Are you hungry? Oh my goodness, he's hungry. Oh, you're hungry? Let's get you up there, bud. Ooh, oh, you gotta not jump up. It's hard to pick you up with one hand. It's an all-out brawl. What do you think, Buttercup? About these crazy kids. Judy Hopps, what do you think? Oh, you want more food? That's my fault. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I think she's about empty, guys. She is empty. There's nothing coming out of there, is there? You're done. Thanks for playing. You're done too. Peanut? Where did I get you? I don't think so. Oh, you're full. And they're drinking you. Oh, hurry. All right, who's next? You already had some. How's your tum? No, you're not very full. We'll get you one more. Are you hungry? You go up there with your brother? What can I do for you? Yeah, I'm looking at you, bud. What can I do for you? Are you hungry? We'll get you up. We'll get you some food. You just gotta wait your turn, okay? You're next. Little piggy, I think you're done. Oink, oink. Are you even getting anything out of there? That teat's still full. You're getting stuff. I don't know if you're latching right, bud. You're done. You're done. Thanks for playing. Give that another go. Nope, that side's empty. That side's empty. Drink. You haven't had like anything. I need you to drink, bud. We're gonna swing you around here. The other side though, the other side. There you go. There's milk in there for you. Need you to drink it though. Is there no flow? Oh, there's definitely flow. Oh, he's done. Okay, he had enough. You're done, Peanut. Thank you. Thank you, you're done. Peanut. Peanut. Hey, hey Peanut. Are you ignoring me? You're ignoring me. All right, time for the maniac, Blossom. She's insane. She's a crazy person. You were next, I forgot. She is ready for you. Slurp, slurp. We got a lot of these guys that are in the process of trying to wean right now. She's old enough. She's eating solids. We could wean her. She's probably getting close. We might be able to wean her. He's definitely old enough to wean, eating solids. She's definitely old enough to wean, eating solids. Hey, bud. A lot of them are still drinking from mom, too, and they'll drink on their own. Some of them need some help. I just make sure the ones that I know need help are getting help, and then when I've got a little bit of extra, I've got some extra moms hanging around that need to be emptied. I'll throw them up and feed whoever else wants some. You want up, Chloe? Let's get you up there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There you go. What do you think, Chloe? Is that nice? That tasty? You dig that? You're done now, Chloe. Off you go. Chloe, you're done. I'll give you some grain in just a minute. I'll give you some grain in a sec. Oh, time for you to go. Time for you to go. Thank you. So now we've got all these moms in here, and the way that I prefer to get them out is Usually we've got a small bucket. So what I'll do is fill this up most of the way. Oh, Judy, you excited about that? Oh, yeah, you are. Whoa. You got this here, you shake it around a bit. And they come running. Oh, you guys are excited. Throw a few of these. Ooh. Ring the bell. I don't let them all through. Oh, don't tip it back over, kook. Oh. You ladies are ready, huh? That'll work its way down. You ready, S'more? Come on out. No babies. Get the mamas some food. I didn't feed them to fill them up, mostly just to get them out of there. We have so much grass down there at the end and a lot of stuff down that way for them to eat, so they don't need this. They just like it. Hey, Jose, you gotta jump in there, Maleficent. Jump in there. The food's at the bottom. That's all on the ground there, isn't it? Some doofus poured it on the ground. Climb out, Gertie. S'more, what do you think? Was it tasty? Oh, can I give you some scratches? Hey there, Jazzy. How's my girl doing? Maggie, what's going on with you? Hmm? Hey, Swiss Miss. Hi. Hey, Jazzy. Hey, Anna. Josie. Maleficent. Did you get what you're looking for? Hey, Rihanna. Hey, Sabrina. We've got Belle, Leia, Maggie, Veronica. We've got Nellie. We've got Claire, Moana, Tiana, Ursula, Swiss Miss. Hey, Daisy. Hey, Daisy, how are you, huh? You having a good day? I hope so. I hope so. Yeah. Oh, Josie, I like you. I like you a lot. She's probably one of my top 3. The rankings change a lot. Oh, S'more, she's been moving up the ranks. Didn't like her at all for a while. She was just not friendly. Taking a little turn for the better, huh? Yeah. We picked up Maleficent here, maybe 2-3 months ago. And she was easily our most skittish goat. She still is pretty dang skittish. She's funny because she wants to be around. She wants to be part of the action, but she will not let you touch her body. She'll let you touch her snout. She'll even let you work up to the head, and she does this thing where she scratches the top of her head on your hand like a maniac. What can I do for you, huh? What can we do for you? But she won't let me get much more of a hand on her. She just backs up. Occasionally she'll let me get a hand on on her neck, and I'll give her a little bit of a scratch. She seems to enjoy that when she allows it, but it's taken some work to get her to that point. She must have been pretty much wild when she lived with the people that we got her from. I think she's about a year, maybe 2. They must not have done much in the way of socializing. More of her progress in the next update. Hey, bud. As well as likely a new update on some babies who are going to be born real soon. See you next time. Thanks for watching.